Hey guys, my name is Esmeralda. Today I'm going to be making slime. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and comment down below whose slime is going to turn better. And you guys might be asking whose slimes might be better, but I have a special guest here with me, and her name is Genesis.
Hello. Hi guys, it's Genesis Blanchard. Okay. Follow me. Well, no. Subscribe to my channel. Like and comment down below. Wait, no. Yeah, like and comment down below in this video. And subscribe to her channel. So, let's get started.
Yeah. Okay guys, so these are all of our ingredients. We're using glue, shaving cream, liquid starch, and lotion, and
we're also using water and
food,
paint.
Coloring or paint, whatever. So let's get started. Woo! Okay guys, so we have our Elmer's glue that we're going to pour into our bowl.
So let's go ahead and pour that in.
Ooh. I love making slime.
I'm kidding, I didn't. I would never do that. I dipped the whole thing in. Why? Oh my god, I did it again. Oh god.
Sorry guys.
We're having technical difficulties.
I want to try to get everything out.
Yeah.
Like, I'm the person that tries to get every drop out.
That's me because I want more slime.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, we forgot to show you this. We have some containers, 2 for her and 3 for me.
And we're also going to do a round of bead slime, glitter slime, and then we're going to try out these to see if they actually make slime.
So yeah. I got all of that out.
So let's see if it focuses. No, okay, but...
So now we're going to put some shaving cream. Whoa.
Wow.
And it's raspberry scented.
Yes, it's from Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Wait, first you have to do this.
I should do it.
Oh, it smells good.
Wait, let me shake it. Again.
There you go. Ooh,
oh, yeah.
Now it's my turn. My turn. My turn.
It looks like ice cream.
It smells so good. Oh my goodness.
Guys, you should buy this type of shaving cream at a Dollar Tree because this shaving cream is the best. It smells really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
We're not kidding, guys. It even says it on there.
Smells good.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow, guys, this looks like whipped cream. Kind of like whipped cream.
Oh my goodness, it's falling.
Okay, now mix it.
Do you want a whiff? Sorry, you have to buy it first.
It smells so good, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh.
But there's glue in it, so I can't.
Why would I ever do that, though? No, you didn't do it.
I know.
But you're a good actor.
It kind of looks like I was eating it. Look at it. Yeah, it kind of looks like that.
But when you put your tongue back in, it doesn't have anything white.
Yeah. Do you think we're ready to put some paint?
Wait, I want to put a little bit more.
Yeah, me too.
Because I want it to be extra fluffy. Wait.
Yeah, I want mine extra fluffy too.
But then we're going to have to put a tiny bit more of glue. I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, I think I put too much. So that's the big glue ball.
Gallon of glue.
Yeah, gallon of glue.
That's good.
It's a very cool, or like a very big one.
You can get it at Walmart. No,
It smells so good. I want it so
bad.
It's a new bottle, that's why.
Yeah, probably. Oh, wow. Oh.
It looks so liquidy.
You take it.
That's probably why. Like, it was in the car. So, yeah. I'm going to be pouring.
No. Put a little bit more in mine. Yep, we'll go.
Where's the top one?
Right here.
We also talk Spanish, so that's why I said top.
Yeah. I don't want it to.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye,
Because then it's not gonna smell like shaving cream anymore.
And I'm so excited to activate this because, like, I wanna smell it. Like, I wanna like play with it. So I think we're ready to put the color in, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So now I'm going to put some in. There you go.
You're so fluffy. Mine is so extra fluffy.
So guys, this is how it looks. Mine looks, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So we're back. We were doing some stuff.
Is that my mom was calling us?
Yeah. I'm going to give you some. Here you go.
Yeah, there. And then we'll add a little bit of teal, okay?
Yeah, we'll add some teal. See one of my fingers.
Ooh, it's kind of blue. I don't know if you guys can see this.
It still smells like
No,
it.
you can't see it.
You guys. Mine. It's a little blue. Like a baby blue color.
Mine's not that blue, actually. It looks white.
Mine is kind of like a baby blue color.
Mine is actually a baby blue now. Right?
Yeah, I guess so.
It's so fun.
Oh, wow. Look at mine.
Yours look so beautiful. Let's add some aqua.
Now we're adding some aqua
I'll be
color.
right I'll be right back.
So this is how mine looks. Whoa. It's a sky blue color.
So this is aqua. Right there. There you
Wait, we forgot the lotion.
go.
So first
We can still add it though.
Right.
We didn't activate it yet, so that's good.
Yeah. So I'm going to add some lotion.
Wait, this doesn't look like the right consistency, so I'm gonna put a little. I think I put a little too much of shaving cream. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay.
I'm going to add more shaving cream. And some lotion too. There's barely any.
I didn't put any in. It was that many.
I'll see you guys when I get the lotion out. Okay guys, so I put the lotion in already, and I put a little bit more of shaving cream because that shaving cream smells really good. Now I'm going to put the teal color.
Aqua.
Yeah, aqua color.
Wow, we are really focused in this for some reason.
Whoa. So
This is kind of yellow.
Wait.
If you guys can see it well. It's kind of yellow. It's not that white. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wow, guys, my slime, all of my ingredients are looking really good. Like, oh my god, guys, I put the color in and look up. That's how it turned out. So we got some more lotion because like there was barely any.
And that one was kind of getting a little bit old. So 2 squirts.
So after that, we're going to put a little bit more of water, a little bit of water now. Some.
Thank you.
A little bit more.
It looked like it was getting activated.
For now.
It's getting too watery. Look, it's watery.
See my color. Here, I'm going to put some.
It's getting too watery, Jojo. Let's not add more water. No more water.
Happy.
Wow. Wow.
Well, mine looks like that's something. Okay, so I'm going to start putting the activator in. So we have Staflo.
You can find it at Walmart.
Yeah. I'm going to put it in here so then I don't reactivate it. So I put 2.
I'm going to put it straight in.
Whoa, guys, it's already turning into slime. See?
Oh yeah, there's some Dollar Tree too. It's beautiful.
Oh, so just so you guys know, I'm in my friend's house.
My BFF's house.
Yeah, my BFF. Now I'm going to pour some in, and I'm just going to pour it in. But not put too much. Wow, guys, this is already turning into slime. I'm pouring some. Oh, whoa. I don't want to put too much. Guys, it's already turning into slime.
And if you hear anything in the background,
sorry.
If you hear anything.
Yeah.
1 drop. Wait. Come out.
Push hard.
Oh.
You said 1 drop and that was like a big drop. Oh wow, I think
Get everything out of the way right now.
I did put a lot. I think I'm not gonna put too much anymore. I might put more if it gets a little bit too sticky. But guys, this is slime now.
And that's how you make fluffy slime.
Yep, and I'm going to put more activator in. Oh, I think that was too much probably.
Oh, wow. Okay, you guys didn't see that, but that was just there. A little bit. It's already picking up the texture. Already.
I'm going with my hands now. Already. And this is like my favorite color because like it's like a
this
very
is one of my
good
favorite
color.
colors. Not exactly. Mine is my favorite color is like a
Rose gold.
blue green kind of.
Rose
It looks
gold.
so cool.
I'm gonna mix with my hands.
Now I'm going to get a little bit more of this. I thought it was too much that I poured in, but it was actually not a lot. And now it's forming. You won't be able to see me. Oh, yeah, you will. Oh, wow. This is going really good. And make sure to check our part 2 video. Well, we're making a part 2 video of this because in our part 2 video we're making glitter slime. So
and also bead slime, like crunchy slime.
yeah,
That's what I
and our the part 3.
Fortnite dance.
So
Wait.
guys, I finished my slime already. And she's still working on hers, but
Okay, so I'm gonna be kneading this. Well,
she's almost done.
yeah, I'm almost done.
So,
It actually kind of smells good.
Yeah, it still smells like it, but it doesn't smell that well, so I'm going to put a little bit more. Do you want to?
Oh, yeah. My slime is up here.
I know. You can still put it in.
Hopefully the tray doesn't fall. Or, I meant the bowl.
Wait, can this bowl break?
It's plastic.
Oh, I got it. Great. So, guys, this is my slime. Whoa, it's a very stretchy, very pokey.
I'm gonna get placemats, okay, guys?
And like it's very stretchy, very pokey, and yeah. So yeah, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna do the poke test and the bubbles test.
Okay, so we're doing the poke test. She's getting something right now.
I think one is enough, right?
Yeah, one is enough.
Okay, so I got a placemat. What's happening to my words?
So we're going to put our slime in.
Well,
So
we have to make sure we don't. Well, yours is actually good, but it needs a little more.
yeah, I'll do it.
But you have to put it in the cap. There. I need a little bit more for mine.
So guys,
And that was a little bit.
so I put a little bit more of Stafflow because like
Mine,
it
I
was
think,
a
is
little
overactivating.
too sticky, and hers is a little bit overactivated.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's stringy.
Mine is
But I
really
can
stretchy.
I can work it out.
Not that stretchy.
We'll
but
be
a
back.
little bit
We'll be
stretchy.
back when I finish with my slime.
Yeah, because her slime is a little bit too reactivated. So bye bye. Okay, guys. So she finished because hers are reactivated. So now we're doing the poking test. 3, 2, 1.
It sounds the same.
Yeah, it basically sounds the same. So now we're doing the bubble test. So she's going to take her slime away because it might go on hers. So I want to do my bubble, and then we'll
Here,
see.
put it in your bowl so then I have enough space to do.
I'm going to do half of my slime because
the whole.
the whole thing will make a very big bubble, and it would probably go on this. And it will stick on, so I don't want it to do a big bubble. So now I'm going to do it with this. Wait, guys.
Wait, it's my turn first.
No, it doesn't matter. She'll just go first.
Okay. Wait, no, that's. Okay. We can watch that. Don't worry. Okay, ready? Set.
Wow.
Hey.
Okay, so hers
That big.
was that big. We'll see
Pretty
if
big.
mine is like that.
Hey. Let's see how crunchy it is. Let's see how crunchy it is.
Like how, like.
Sorry if you hear anything in the background.
The bubble test, like the crunchy test. So.
Again,
Oh,
same
wow.
text. What?
Sorry, guys. It's because like it was going on the table and I didn't
No, it's
want
fine.
it to.
It's fine. I can just roll it off.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness! What? I'll fix the camera. We'll be right back.
So guys, so
Okay.
okay guys, so now it's
Technical
my turn
difficulties.
to do the poking test and the sorry guys about that.
We're having technical difficulties. We'll be right back when we're done. Okay, so
Okay,
it's your turn.
so it's my turn. So this is the poking test. This is the cracking test. So wait. Sounds really good.
I'm gonna
Gonna do
wash
it
my
again. Whoa.
If you hear anything, I'm so sorry.
So that was okay. Now I'll do the bubble test. Well, it wasn't that big, but it's okay.
Was it bigger than mine?
No.
Was it smaller than mine?
So
Or
wait,
was
guys.
it equally?
Oh wow, guys. So I
That
did a
was-
very big bubble.
Girl, look.
It was probably bigger than hers. Yeah, it was bigger than hers. So guys, you guys will comment down below whose slime was better. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below whose slime is better. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Oh, also, remember to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to her
Oh,
channel.
and hit the notification bell. So we love you
Like.
guys.
If you like and if you enjoyed, please leave a like and comment down below if you think I won. Hashtag
If she won,
Aqua is
cool.
Wait, I'm kidding though. Aqua is mine.
And if I won, then do hashtag I won.
Hashtag love.
Oh yeah, hashtag love. Yeah.
Love Aqua. Mhm.
Oh yeah, hashtag love aqua. So
And
we'll see you.
hashtag if you think I won. Hashtag Aqua and Salmon are awesome.
We love you guys. Bye.
Bye.